Hello, dear friends, teachers and children. I am B. Sriramulu, a senior English faculty in Visakhapatnam, and I have taught for all the competitive exams, 10th class, intermediate, degree, and competitive exams like Navy, Air Force, bank exams, teachers DSC and Group 1. I have already made some videos on, first of all, verb, tenses, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense, and simple past tense. Okay, you might have gone through all the videos or some of the videos, and you might have analytically studied that one. If any defects are there, any errors are there, or anything has to be improved, I would like to request your comments, and so that in the coming videos I will take more care to improve and avoid all the errors. Now today I am going to take up the topic on past continuous tense. What is the structure of past continuous tense? Where it has to be used, where it should not be used, why? And past continuous means that action going on. That action is going on in the present time or in the past time. So it was going on in the past time, at certain time in the past time. That's why it is past continuous. And the structure is, we use be form was or were plus ing form of the principal verb of the main verb. So was, were plus ing form. So this is actually called past continuous tense. Where it has to be used, let us see now. Okay, first occasion is when the action was going on at certain time in the past. In the past means it might be yesterday, last week, last month, last Monday last, or Sunday last, or January last, or in some year like 2015 or 2018. Okay, we will take that past time. In that past time, we will give a particular time. So at that particular time, if some action was going on, in that way, if we recollect, then we use past continuous tense. Here, it is used for an action that was going on at some time in the past. At some time in the past. Generally, it is used with then, at that time, or at this time yesterday, or by this time yesterday, or at this time last week, at this time Monday last. In that way, okay, that kind of wordings are there, then we use past continuous tense. Suppose I was watching TV at that time yesterday. How the question will be given? Suppose I dash watch TV at that time yesterday. Suppose this is the question given to us. Here, what kind of tense we have to fill in this blank? Now here, the hint word is at that time yesterday. Yesterday is past, and yesterday some time was given at that time. So we have to use here yesterday past, and at that time some action was going on. So we must use here past continuous, was watching. Okay, here we have to use was watching. Was is the be form and ing form of watch. This is actually past continuous. We cannot use each watching, am watching or watching. Why? Am is our present, watching is continuous, present continuous we cannot use because yesterday was the past time. And they were discussing the matter at that time, yesterday or last week. Okay, here also they dash discuss may be given in the brackets. Then at this time yesterday or at this time last week, okay, at this time Monday last, in that way, and that kind of words are there. Here you must use was or were plus ing form of discuss. So they were discussing, we have to write, we cannot use any other tense. This is the one occasion. And what is the second occasion when we can use past continuous? Suppose two past actions happened. Two actions happened in the past only, not present, past. So when one action was actually continuing, when one action was going, another action happened. So when one action was going, that is what is called a long action. That long action, okay, must be mentioned in past continuous, and the second action which happened during that action, it must be mentioned in simple past tense. So the longer action must be in past continuous tense. Suppose one action was going, okay, one action was going and another action happened. This long action we use past continuous tense, and this short action we use simple past tense. For example, okay, this kind of sentences will come with while or when. While or when. Okay, suppose while I dash read, the power interrupted. Okay, and suppose this is the action was going on. What is the action was going on? Reading. So this must be mentioned in was reading. This must be past continuous, was plus reading, and this must be simple past tense. This is the long action that is actually going, and this is the short action that happened during that time. Okay, and he dash sleep when I went to his house. So this action was actually continuing, and this another went, this action happened during this action. So here he was sleeping. He was sleeping when here he was sleeping when I went to his house. What is the long action here? This is. So when the sleeping was going, another action happened, that is went. This is simple past tense. This must be past continuous tense. So when I dash go to market, another action happened. What is that? Another accident occurred. So this was the action that was going on, continuing. That's why it must be was plus going. This is past continuous. Going to market, the accident. So when I was going to market, this is the long action. So when this going to market, okay, was continuing, another action happened. What is that? Accident occurred. So it must be in the past continuous, and it must be in the simple past tense. And what is the third occasion? What is the third occasion? This past continuous tense is used. That is, in indirect speech, when we change direct speech from indirect speech, when we change direct speech into indirect speech, if present continuous is there in the direct speech, that has to be changed to, it's a corresponding past tense. What is the corresponding past tense of present continuous? It is past continuous only. So in indirect speech as a past equivalent of the present continuous. So present continuous tense, its past equivalent is past continuous. So suppose he said, I am repairing the bike. So here said is the reporting verb. This is in a simple past tense. So here in direct speech or reported speech, am repairing is the verb, am is present and repairing is continuous. This present continuous is changed to its corresponding past, that is a past continuous. So he said, I am repairing the bike. He said that he was repairing the bike. We should not write he is repairing the bike, because is repairing is present continuous, was repairing is past continuous. So for am is or what is the past? Was and were. So and ing form doesn't, main verb doesn't change, only we have to change am is or into was were. So in this way here present continuous changed to past continuous. She said they are not wasting money. She said that they, and are is changed to were, wasting only, not only. So what is the verb here? Are wasting. Are is present, ing form present continuous is changed to its corresponding past tense past continuous. So this is all about past continuous tense. And as usual, I would like to request you offer your comments and advice or suggestions in the form of comments. Thank you.